In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for regional demand planning fast and easy. This tool can be incredibly powerful for understanding what consumers are interested in. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign or trying to optimize your inventory. So let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Google Trends. Simply open your preferred web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once the results load, click on the first link. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. It's a great place to start exploring what's on people's minds globally, but we are going to drill down into specifics shortly. Next, look for the Explore option. It's usually located prominently on the page, inviting us to dive deeper. Click on Explore, and you'll be taken to a page where you can start inputting the details relevant to your needs. Here, you can enter a product, service, or topic you're interested in. This could be anything from air purifiers to vegan restaurants. Just type it into the search field to get started. After entering your topic, hit Enter to generate a range of data associated with your search term. To refine these results for your specific region, it's important to set the filters according to your target audience. Choose a location that fits your market area, whether that's a city, state, or an entire country. By adjusting the time range, you can choose to analyze data from the last year for consistency or the last few months to detect emerging trends. Under category, selecting ones like health or food, depending on your product, will filter out irrelevant data, giving you a clearer picture of the market. Now let's analyze the Interest by Region section. This crucial part presents a geographical breakdown of interest levels in your topic. High search interest in a specific area suggests strong market demand, while moderate interest may indicate a potential growth area. Conversely, low interest could mean that focusing resources in that region might not yield a good return on investment. Scrolling down, you'll find the Related Queries and Topics section. Here you can see additional search terms that are gaining traction. Filtering these results regionally can provide insights into specific customer preferences or niche demands that you can capitalize on. For instance, if you're analyzing coffee shop trends in California and notice queries for cold brew near me spiking, that information could guide your outreach or product development efforts. Lastly, consider using the plus compare feature. This tool allows you to analyze up to 5 different products or services side by side, perfect for determining which offerings have the most potential at a regional level. This can inform decisions about where to focus your marketing efforts or invest additional ad spend. With these steps, you're well equipped to use Google Trends effectively for your regional demand planning. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to get ahead and meet consumer demand efficiently. Happy exploring!